Everyone, in today's class I will discuss the proof of De Morgan's laws. It is very important. First of all, you must have to learn all the laws, 11 laws I have discussed in previous videos. After that, you can be able to prove De Morgan's laws. Okay. So in today's video, we will try to prove this law. As first, we must know what is De Morgan's law. There are two laws by De Morgan's. A plus B in bracket dash is equal to A dash dot B dash. Second, A dot B in bracket dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. This is De Morgan's law. Now we have to prove this law. So we will prove this by uniqueness of complement law. So for this we must have learnt uniqueness of complement law. As we know by uniqueness of complement law, if a plus x is equal to 1 and a dot x is equal to 0, then x is equal to a dash. This is the uniqueness of complement law. So with the help of this we will prove De Morgan's law. As here we have to prove a plus b in bracket dash is equal to a dash dot b dash, or by commutative law we can write a dot b dash is equal to a plus b dash by commutative law. So we must know what is commutative law. Commutative law is a plus b is equal to b plus a dot b is equal to b dot a. So by commutative law we can interchange LHS is equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS. So here we can identify x and a according to uniqueness of complement law. Here x is equal to a dot a dash dot b dash, a is equal to a plus b. Here it is written a plus b, not dash, a plus b only, not dash. So for proving x is equal to a dash, similarly we have to prove a dash dot b dash is equal to a plus b dash, x is equal to a dash. I have taken the symbol into capital letters so that there cannot be any confusion. So how will we prove this? For proving this, if we prove a plus x is equal to 1 and a dot x is equal to 0, then condition will be satisfied. So here we have to show a plus b in bracket plus a dash dot b dash is equal to 1 and a plus b dot a dash dot b dash is equal to 0. So if we prove first case, second case, LHS is equal to RHS, then x is equal to a dash will be automatically. Now case 1, a plus b plus a dash dot b dash is equal to 1. Now let LHS a plus b in bracket plus a dash dot b dash. This is the LHS. Now expand it using distributive law. Always when two symbols are of different sign, use distributive law to expand. So here by distributive law we will expand a plus b plus a dash dot a plus b plus b dash. Afterwards we can say a plus a dash, there can be one law, complement law. So for doing that we will do a plus a dash plus b by commutative law, as I told also this law. So here second step will be a plus a dash plus b dot a plus b plus b dash. So now we can apply complement law. Complement law is a plus a dash is equal to 1, a dot a dash is equal to 0. Similarly we will put the values 1 plus b, a plus 1. So here we can again use commutative law just to reverse the LHS is equal to RHS. So here v plus 1 dot a plus 1. So now another law will be applicable here in b plus 1. It is boundedness law. A plus 1 is equal to 1. So here v plus 1 will become 1 dot a plus 1 will also become 1. So 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. So here we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. First case we have proved. Second, similarly we will prove case 2 and similar laws will be applied. Just have a look. A plus b dot a dash dot b dash is equal to 0. Take LHS a plus b dot a dash dot b dash. So here we will again expand this statement by using distributive law. A dot a dash dot b dash in bracket plus a in bracket plus b dot a dash dot b dash. By distributive law we have done this. Now again we can see there is a second law of complement law, a dot a dash, b dot b dash. So we will make them together by using commutative law. Afterward we will use complement law, a dot a dash is equal to 0. Similarly v dot b dash will be 0. So here next step is 0 dot b dash plus 0 dot a dash. Again we can have the second law of commutative law, and in b dash dot 0 and a dash dot 0 there will be again a law, second law of boundedness, which is a dot 0 is equal to 0. So we will put 0 in the next step, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. So finally here we have satisfied case 1 and case 2. So by uniqueness of complement law, x is equal to a dash. We can write x is equal to a dash, and a plus b whole bracket dash is equal to a dash dot b dash. So we have proved first law of De Morgan's law. Now second, how will we prove second law? So for proving second law we don't need to prove them accordingly first case and second case. We can just prove second law by using duality principle, which I had discussed yesterday. A dot b whole bracket dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. So for proving this, as we have proved in first part, a dash dot a plus b whole bracket dash is equal to a dash dot b dash. Just put duality principle, just apply duality principle. Plus will become dot, dot will become plus, 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. It says in duality principle. So the finally answer will be a dot b whole bracket dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. So we have proved second law as well. So finally both De Morgan's laws are proved. A plus b in bracket dash is equal to a dash dot b dash. Second, a dot b whole bracket dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. Hence proved. So this is the explanation of proof of De Morgan's law. It is very important. Everyone must have to learn and prove it properly. There can be other proof also for various laws, for all 11th law, but proof of De Morgan's law is very important. It will generally asked in your exams. So you must have to practice it well. You will have to learn all the laws as well as you will have to practice by writing them. You will have to just mug pot all the laws, because these are applied everywhere in simplification and in next numericals also. These are very useful. So here just learn how to prove De Morgan's law. Okay, thank you.